Hi everyone, this is Keely with Toyota of Keene, and this is the 2020 Toyota 4Runner TRD Off-Road. The 2020 Toyota 4Runner TRD Off-Road gets some awesome performance specs, like a 270 horsepower 4-liter V6 engine. You get a 5-speed electronically controlled automatic transmission with intelligence. You get part-time 4-wheel drive with active traction control. You get an electronically controlled locking rear differential, multi-terrain select, and crawl control. And you get a 5,000-pound towing capacity with the integrated towing hitch receiver and wiring harness. Here on the exterior, you get projector beam headlights with smoked trim and integrated fog lights. You get 17-inch 7-spoke alloy wheels with black painted accents. You get the heated power outside mirrors. You get roof rails. You get 9.6 inches of ground clearance for those off-roaders. You get the in-key remote keyless entry system. And you get up to over 88 cubic feet of cargo space.
Here on the interior, you get a gorgeous leather-trimmed tilt telescopic steering wheel with audio and Bluetooth hands-free phone and voice command controls. You get an 8-inch touchscreen with Audio Plus. You get a backup camera with your projected path. You get Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, 8 speakers, a USB media port, and 2 USB charge ports. And you get the fabric-trimmed 40-20-40 split reclining and fold-flat second-row seating.
The 2020 Toyota 4Runner TRD Off-Road also gets Toyota Safety Sense 2.0, which gives you some great safety tech, like pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, dynamic radar adaptive cruise control, automatic high beams, and so much more. So, if you're thinking about the 2020 Toyota 4Runner, the TRD Off-Road might have all the features you need, so come on down to Toyota of Keene, 591 Monadnock Highway in Swansea, New Hampshire, or visit us online at toyotakeene.com. We cannot wait to work with you. Happy car shopping!